Hi everybody, welcome to It's Time to Eat with Dawn. And today I'm going to show you what I've been making for myself for breakfast for the last week or so. So I bring this to work and it's really nutritious, healthy, and it sustains me through the morning. So I have some Greek yogurt here, and I just put this in my little container here. Okay, and then I fill it up like 3/4 of the way approximately, and then I'll add some chia seeds in there because they're good for omega-3s. So I usually, I just grab one of these. And I just put about that much in. You can put more in if you like. It's up to you how much you want to put in there. And then I grab my flaxseed and I put about the same amount in. So my flaxseed, that in there. So I just get regular, like, organic flaxseed from my grocery store. And that's organic flaxseed. And then I stir this up, and you can also put like some sliced almond in there if you like. It's up to you. I just like to stir this up a little bit. And then, let me see if I can, okay. And then what I do is I add some berries in there. So I have some raspberries and some blueberries. So I'll just add some of those in there. And if you want to, you can, because I don't eat, like, it takes me like 2 hours, before I actually eat this. So it has time to actually, the seeds to expand a little bit from the yogurt. So if you want to put oats in overnight, you can. Maybe I'll do another video with that, because that also will help. This will help to stabilize blood sugar as well, because it has the fat from the whole, this is plain yogurt. It's full fat. Yum. Okay. So yeah, this is pretty much it. And if you want to put some, sliced almonds on there on top, we can do that too. Put a little bit of those on there. And then let's take a little bite and just see how it tastes. I love this. It's got a crunch. It's sweet, it's sour. It's good for us. We've got, let's say, we've got good fats here. We've got protein in here. We've got fat in here. Protein in here. We've got some vitamins. Right, we got vitamin C in the fruit, right? The berries, the antioxidants that those have, right? We have that as well, and the flaxseed and the chia seeds have the omega-3s, so that's really good for our health, especially those of us who are getting a little bit older, right? It's really good for us. So anti-inflammatory, we want that, right? So this is a really good breakfast. It's gonna stabilize your blood sugar and help you throughout the day. So then you just put your little top on, push in the middle, get that air out, and you're good to go. There's your little breakfast meal. So thank you so much. See you next time on It's Time to Eat with Dawn.